Solve the linear congruence 6x is equivalent to 15, mod 21. First, we need to simplify the congruence 6x is equivalent to 15, mod 21. We can divide both sides by the greatest common divisor, GCD, of the coefficients. GCD of 6, 15, 21 equals 3. Dividing the entire congruence by 3. 2x is equivalent to 5, mod 7. To solve this, we need to find the modular multiplicative inverse of 2, mod 7. We can check. 2 times 4 is equivalent to 1, mod 7. So the inverse of 2 is 4. Multiply both sides by 4. X is equivalent to 5 times 4, mod 7. X is equivalent to 20, mod 7. X is equivalent to 6, mod 7. The general solution is x equals 6 plus 7k, where k is any integer. Checking the original congruence. 6 plus 7k equals 15, mod 21. 36 plus 42k equals 15, mod 21. This checks out. Therefore, the solution is x is equivalent to 6, mod 21. Or x equals 6 plus 21k. Linear congruences and modular arithmetic have numerous practical applications across various fields. Cryptography, RSA encryption, public key cryptosystems, digital signatures, random number generation, secure communication protocols, computer science, hash function design, pseudorandom number generation, cyclic algorithms, calendar and date calculations, scheduling algorithms, financial technology, credit card validation algorithms, transaction verification, blockchain technology, cryptocurrency protocols, computational number theory, prime number generation, factorization algorithms, cryptanalysis techniques. Each of these applications leverages the predictable yet complex properties of modular arithmetic to solve specific computational challenges efficiently and securely.